Stop speaking basic English. If you are still saying I am fine, then your English is not natural. Native speakers don't speak like this. Today, I will change the way you speak English forever. Hello and welcome to this English learning podcast. I am very happy you are here today because today is not a normal lesson. Today, you will learn how to speak English in a natural way, not textbook English, but real spoken English. You don't need grammar books. You don't need difficult rules. You only need to listen, repeat, and practice. Let's start your English transformation. Stop saying I am fine. Most learners say I am fine. This is correct English, but it is very basic. Native speakers use many different expressions. Let's learn better ways. Natural English, I'm doing great. I'm good. I'm pretty good. I'm doing well. I'm all right. Practice, repeat slowly. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Real life example question. How are you? Answer, I'm doing great. Simple, natural, fluent. Stop saying I don't know. Basic sentence, I don't know. Now let's upgrade it. Natural ways. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I'm not certain. I can't say practice. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I have no idea. Example, where is Ali? I'm not sure. That sounds natural. Stop saying I want. Basic, I want water. This sounds direct and simple. Let's make it polite and natural. Better English. I would like some water. Can I have some water? Could I get some water? Practice. I would like some water. I would like some water. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? When example. At restaurant, can I have some water, please? This is natural English. Stop saying very good, basic, very good, but native speakers use better words. Natural expressions, amazing, awesome, excellent, great, fantastic practice, amazing, amazing, awesome, awesome, excellent, excellent. Say an example. That's amazing. This sounds fluent. Stop saying I am busy, basic. I am busy. Now upgrade it. Natural ways. I'm a bit busy right now. I'm tied up at the moment. I'm occupied. I'm working on something, on practice. I'm a bit busy right now. I'm a bit busy right now. I'm tied up at the moment. I'm tied up at the moment. An example. Sorry, I'm a bit busy right now. Talk later. Real life conversation. Now let's practice real English. Listen carefully. Friend, hey, how are you? You, I'm doing great. Friend, are you free now? You, I'm a bit busy right now. Friend, do you know where Ali is? You, I'm not sure. Friend, okay, no problem. You, thanks. Now repeat slowly. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm a bit busy right now. I'm a bit busy right now. Practice daily. Speak slowly. Repeat again and again. Now let's continue. You already learned some basic upgrades. Now we will go deeper. We will fix more common sentences and make them sound natural. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Main lesson, continue. Stop saying I think. Basic sentence. I think this is good. It is correct, but very basic. Better ways. I believe this is good. I feel this is right. In my opinion, this is good. Now practice. I believe this is good. I believe this is good. I feel this is right. I feel this is right. An example. I believe this is the best option. Stop saying I am tired. Basic. I am tired. Let's upgrade it. Natural expressions. I'm exhausted. I'm really tired. I'm worn out. Practice, I'm exhausted, I'm exhausted, I'm worn out, I'm worn out. Example, after work, I'm really tired today. Stop saying wait. Basic, wait. This can sound rude sometimes. Better ways. Just a moment. Give me a second. Hold on. Now you're in practice. Just a moment. Just a moment. Give me a second. Give me a second. Near example. Give me a second. I'm coming. Stop saying I like it. Basic. I like it. Let's improve it. Better options. I really like it. I love it. I'm into it. I practice. I love it. I love it. I really like it. I really like it. Example, this movie is great. I love it. Stop saying come. Basic, come here. Better ways, natural expressions. Come over here. Come with me. Come closer. Practice, come over here. Come over here. Come with me. Come with me. Example, come with me. I'll show you. Listen carefully. Friend, what do you think about this? You, I believe it's a good idea. Friend, are you okay? You, I'm a bit tired today. Friend, can you help me? You, just a moment. Friend, do you like this? You, I love it. Practice section. Repeat slowly. I believe this is good. I believe this is good. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. Give me a second. Give me a second. I love it. I love it. Come with me. Come with me. I can practice again. Slowly. Daily. Very good. Now your English is improving, but we are not done yet. In the next part, we will learn even more powerful English sentences. So stay with me. Welcome back. Now your English is getting better. But now, we go one step higher. We will learn how to sound more natural, more confident, and more like a native speaker. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Main lesson, continue. Stop saying I am happy. Basic, I am happy. This is correct, but simple. Better ways, I'm really happy. I'm so happy. I'm feeling great. I'm in a good mood. Or practice, I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. Example, I'm feeling great today. Stop saying I am sad. Basic, I am sad. Let's improve it. Better expressions. I'm feeling down. I'm a bit upset. I'm not feeling great. Practice, I'm feeling down. I'm feeling down. I'm a bit upset. I'm a bit upset. No example, I'm not feeling great today. Stop saying listen. Basic, listen. Sometimes it sounds rude. Better ways. Listen to me. Hear me out. Let me explain. Either practice, hear me out, hear me out. Let me explain, let me explain. Example, wait, hear me out. Stop saying look. Basic, look. Better, natural expressions. Take a look, have a look, check this out. Practice, take a look, check this out, check this out. An example, check this out, it's amazing. Stop saying give me. Basic, give me that. It can sound rude. Better ways. Can you give me that? Could you pass that? May I have that? Practice, can you give me that? Can you give me that? Could you pass that? Could you pass that? Example, could you pass that, please? Friend, how are you feeling today? You, I'm in a good mood. Friend, what happened? You, nothing serious, just feeling a bit down earlier. Friend, hey, check this out. You, wow, that's amazing. Friend, can you pass me that? You, sure, here you go. Sure. Practice section. Repeat slowly. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. I'm feeling down. I'm feeling down. Hear me out. Hear me out. Check this out. Check this out. Could you pass that? Could you pass that? Repeat again. Speak slowly. Practice daily. Welcome back. Now you are improving step by step. In this part, we focus on real conversation confidence, because speaking English is not just words. It is how you speak, how you respond, and how natural you sound. So listen carefully and repeat with confidence. Main lesson, continue. Stop saying yes. Basic, yes. This is correct, but too simple. Better natural responses, yeah. Of course, sure. Absolutely, might our practice? Yeah, yeah. Of course, absolutely, absolutely. As example, can you help me? Of course. Stop saying no. Basic, no. Sometimes it sounds too direct. Better ways. Not really. I don't think so. Maybe not. I'm afraid not. Practice. Not really. Not really. I don't think so. I don't think so. What example? Do you like it? Not really. Stop saying okay. Basic. Okay. Better. Natural expressions. All right. Sounds good. Got it. That works. Practice. Sounds good. Sounds good. Got it. Got it. Example, let's meet tomorrow. Sounds good. Stop saying what. Basic, what? It can sound rude. Better ways. Sorry? Could you repeat that? What do you mean? Practice. Sorry? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Example, sorry, could you repeat that? Stop saying thank you. Basic, thank you, correct, but we can improve it. Better expressions. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And practice. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Example. Thank you so much for your help. Friend, can you help me with this? You, of course. Friend, do you understand this? You, not really. Friend, let me explain. You, got it. Friend, thanks for helping. You, I really appreciate it. Easter practice section. Repeat slowly. Of course, not really. Not really. Sounds good, sounds good. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Practice again. Confidence is key. Welcome back. Now you have learned a lot. You know better words. You know better sentences. But now, the most important thing is how to speak smoothly and confidently. Let's master that. Main lesson continue. Stop translating in your mind. Many learners do this mistake. They think in their language and then translate into English. This makes your English slow. Better way, think in simple English. Start small. Use short sentences. Practice. I am ready. I am ready. I understand. I understand. I can do this. I can do this. Example, don't translate. Just speak. Use simple but natural sentences. You don't need big words. You need clear and natural English. Examples. I'll call you later. Let's go now. I'll see you soon. Practice. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Let's go now. Let's go now. Example. Let's go now. Simple, natural, fluent. Add small words. Native trick. Native speakers use small words. These words make English sound natural. Examples. Just really actually basically. You to practice. I just finished. I just finished. I really like it. I really like it. Example. I just got home. Speak with emotion fluent English is not just words, it is feeling. Example, I'm really excited, I'm so happy, I'm a bit nervous. Some practice, I'm really excited, I'm really excited, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Example, I'm really excited about this. Speak daily. Most important, practice is everything. If you don't speak, you don't improve. Daily habits. Speak alone, repeat sentences, talk to yourself, practice daily. In practice, I will practice daily. I will practice daily. I will improve. I will improve. Final real-life conversation. Now listen carefully. This is natural English. Friend, hey, how are you? You, I'm doing great. Friend, what are you doing? You, I just got home. Friend, are you free? You, not really. I'm a bit busy right now. Friend, okay? Can we talk later? You, yeah, of course. I'll call you later. Friend, thanks. You, I really appreciate it. Then, this is natural. This is fluent. This is real English. Final practice. Repeat slowly. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I just got home. I just got home. I'm a bit busy right now. I'm a bit busy right now. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Repeat again. Practice daily. And the final recap. Today, you learned better sentences, natural expressions, real conversations, fluency tricks. You are no longer a basic speaker. You are improving, finding final CTA. Very important. If you want to speak English fluently, you must practice every day. Watch this full video again, repeat everything, and subscribe to this channel because your next lesson will make your English even stronger.